Hi guys, what's up? Another beautiful day out here in London. Right now I am on my way to Fashion Enter, which is like a manufacturing unit here in UK. So I thought of shooting a vlog and sharing what it's like behind the scenes of being in a fashion uni and going out on tours like this one right here. So let's My day started bright and early, the classic fashion student move. I woke up at around 7 and first things first had coffee, skincare and started to get ready. This is gonna be a behind the scenes journey into the heart of sustainable fashion at Fashion Enter in London. Trust me, this is a day in the life of a fashion student you won't want to miss. At this point, I don't know if I would be standing in front of machines or networking with industry pros, so I picked out an outfit which was comfy and reflected my personal style. Got the keys. Originally, I thought I would head to college first because we are hosting a pop-up at LCF, but the excitement took over and I went straight to the factory. I mean, how often do you get to see behind the scenes of real UK manufacturing? Where's my oyster? We missed the tube. Alrighty, we missed the tube. The next one comes in 5 minutes, which is fine. I always keep buffer whenever I leave my house, so I have 15 minutes on me. And with that, I reached the location. It took me a while to figure out the location, but I met my friend. Say hi in my vlog.
No, I got so late earlier from sitting up.
Upon arrival at Fashion Enter's unit, the energy was amazing. Machines humming, artisans focused, every corner was alive with creativity. To the classroom, I think we're gonna have a presentation first. And then I'm gonna take you guys along with me to see the whole unit. But yeah, the basic idea is to see how the factory uncovers what happens behind the scenes when you're making a garment. And I'm super excited for this, so let's go. We kicked off with a seminar with Caroline, who's the head at Fashion Enter. She talked about the global state of manufacturing and sustainability in the fashion industry. But the highlight was this incredible piece entirely made from production waste. Lace, sequins and fabrics transformed into a masterpiece. And the tour took us through various sections of the factory.
Very dangerous, you know, we could easily have our cutters' fingers chopped off. Yes, it is true. We have to wear these very nice sexy gloves which does protect them. Probably the area where you can have the worst accident happen if you allowed it.
And usually in the cutting process, how many people?
Skilled stitchers working on garments or team crafting these tailored blazers with precision.
She's doing the split again. So that split there. This one is predominantly lock stitched. The overlocking goes on here. So that is overlocking there. So you see Joe's hands get very close to the eye.
This is the fascinating process of using steam to shrink the necklines of t-shirts. Have a look. Next, the quality control area was impressive, ensuring each piece met high standards before leaving the facility.
So we put one colour, one size, one style in the box. Whatever's on this barcode will go on the outside of the box.
Next was the United Repair Center, focusing on repairing garments and articles promoting a circular fashion economy. The knitwear section was a paradise. Colorful yarns and I couldn't resist touching them.
Machines is the flatbed knitting machines knit panels, and then we use these linking machines, which I'll show you in a second, to assemble the panels. So we don't sew or overlock in knitting, we actually link, which is a whole other specialized process. If I take one needle out of work in my program, I'm gonna have 7 gauge. So multi-gauge is how we achieve multiple gauges with very few pieces of equipment. The other thing is the smaller the number.
You're not going to see the colour, but you will see the garments are very, very similar.
This was the highlight for me, exploring the AI technology, specifically the Style 3D tool. This software allows designers to create realistic 3D avatars, simulate fabric drapes, and visualize garments on various body types. This is an absolute game changer in reducing overproduction.
My buyer can just tell me when I get to the right size. And then now I can see the best. The whole 360 degree of the garment. It's obviously very important to see the back as well.
Seeing the avatars move so fluidly was truly fascinating. And with that, we concluded the tour with a group selfie and feedback. If you are a fashion student like me, tours like this are pure gold. Subscribe for more behind the scenes fashion content straight from London, and I'll see you the next time.